Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to check for Microsoft Store apps updates manually on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the procedure. First of all, open the Microsoft Store. Then in the left pane, you'll find this option which says Library. Click on it. You'll find this option which says Get Updates. Click on it. This is how you manually update the Windows Store. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.